Today I will tell you about Rabinowitz criteria. This criteria is used to diagnose keratoconus and it was introduced by Rabinowitz. This criteria has three main points. The number one is patient has K readings greater than 47.20 diopter. The normal cornea has power 43 diopter and in keratoconus the power of cornea is increased. So the minimum limit set by Rabinowitz was 47.20 diopters. The number two is inferior corneal steepening of more than 1.20 diopter greater than the superior cornea. It means that inferior corneal surface is more steeper as compared to superior corneal surface by at least 1.20 diopter. And number 3 point is skewing of the radial axis of astigmatism by more than 21 degrees. So if someone fulfills these 3 points, then he has keratoconus according to Rabinowitz criteria.